Hi, I'm your vehicle's well-wisher and engine's protector, your friendly neighborhood mechanic. Today, I'm going to show you how to give your bike chain a deep cleaning with Magsol Chain Cleaner. With daily rides, bike chains continuously collect grease mixed with dust and road grime. This build-up causes uneven chain movement, making the bike feel jerky at low speeds, noisy while riding, and inconsistent when accelerating or changing gears. Place the bike on main stand. Ensure the engine is off and chain is cool. Spray evenly across the full chain length. Allow dirt to loosen. Wipe clean with a dry cloth. A clean chain runs freely and evenly. Power delivery feels smoother, the bike responds better when accelerating, and gear shifts feel cleaner, especially in city traffic. Use before applying chain lube or whenever the chain looks dirty.